Good morning, everyone. How are you guys this morning? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're going to start with the answer from last week. The question was, how long was King David's reign over Israel? The answer is 40 years. And he was 30 years old when he began his reign. You can find that in 2 Samuel chapter 5, verses 4. And today we're going to read from 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verses 1 through 6. And this is part 1. We're going to have a part 2 to this also. But, so let's start with this, which is, moreover, brethren, I would not that ye should be ignorant, how that all our fathers were under the cloud, and all passed through the sea, and were all baptized unto Moses in the cloud and in the sea, and did all eat the same spiritual meat, and did all drink the same spiritual drink, for they drank all that spiritual rock that followed them, and that rock was Christ. But with many of them God was not well pleased, for they were overthrown in the wilderness. Now these things were our examples, to the intent we should not lust after evil things, as they also lusted. Now, come back for part 2 so you can find out what those evil things were. As far as, let me see, I also want to read it in NLT. It says, I do not want you to forget, dear brothers and sisters, about our ancestors in the wilderness long ago. All of them were guided by a cloud that moved ahead of them, and all of them walked through the sea on dry ground. In the cloud and in the sea, all of them were baptized as followers of Moses. All of them ate the same spiritual food, and all of them drank the same spiritual water. For they drank from the spiritual rock that traveled with them, and that rock was Christ. Yet God was not pleased with most of them, and their bodies were scattered in the wilderness. These things happened as a warning to us, so that we would not crave evil things as they did. Now, like I said, come back for part 2 so that you can see what those evil things were. All right. Well, you guys have a good day, and we'll get to part 2 hopefully today. I'll try my best. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Blessings.